Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to verify email on Discord mobile. Now the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to open your Discord application on your device. Now click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And right here, just click on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen and then click on account. So right here, you can see the verify. You just have to click on that to verify your email. So when you click on the verify, an email will be sent to your email. So you will then just have to go over to your Gmail application on your device to check for the message and refresh your inbox. Now you can see the Discord email. You just have to click on it and then click on the verify email and then choose your browser. Now click on continue to Discord, and after that your email will be verified in your Discord using mobile. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.